Isambula Manaka, warm welcome to UU 204, Week 10 instructional video about the ocean. In this third and last part of Unit 3, our focus continues in developing an understanding of our cultural and natural heritage in regards to the ocean resources. The key concepts that you will be learning about this week are ocean resource conflicts, living marine resources, and seabed mining. As a learning outcome at the end of this week, you will be expected to critically discuss examples of ocean resources conflicts in the Pacific region. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world, and it occupies a third of the Earth's surface. In the Pacific, the environment has been an integral part of people's lives, which gives them an understanding of themselves and their history through profound spiritual connections with the land and the sea. The people of the Pacific have been dependent on the ocean resources, which have been a vital part of their cultural, social, and economic development. The ocean resources are vast as they can be living, for example fish or marine plants, or non-living, for example oil or minerals. Living marine resources have been key sources of food for our Pacific people. Over time, marine resources have depleted considerably due to numerous factors. An example is seabed mining, which is an evolving industry in the Pacific Ocean, where submerged minerals such as copper and manganese are extracted from the seafloor. With the advancement of fishing vessels with new tracking technology and fishing equipment, many fish species have declined significantly. In the first reading by Ram Badesi, she discusses the ocean environment from the seafloor to the open waters. Coral reefs envelop the islands, and they are known to be the rainforests of the marine world in providing various marine species. The fisheries resources have different ecosystems. The coastal and marine ecosystems have sustained the livelihoods of many with the provision of food and nutritional security. In terms of the economy, fisheries and tourism have been very reliant on the marine environment. While the dependence of Pacific people and various industries are on the ocean, threats to the ocean have been ongoing. Coastal fisheries in most Pacific islands, artisanal and subsistence fishing mainly occurs in the lagoons, reefs, or mudflats. Subsistence fishing has an important role in the preservation of cultural traditions, and it also helps socially consolidate coastal communities. Seafood remains an important source of protein for people in the Pacific Islands, but catches have declined over the years, and some of the contributing factors are overexploitation, the transition from subsistence to commercial fishing, the disposal of wastes, urbanization, pollution from industries and settlements, environmental degradation, uncontrolled fishing, and natural disasters. Therefore, it is not only our activities within the marine environment that affect sea life. The activities on land are also detrimental. With the population living along the coast and some industrial areas located near the sea, it comes as no surprise that our activities are showing the effects in our present time. The second reading by Aswani and Radul focuses on coastal ecosystems which undergo transformations and degradation of the environment from terrestrial activities and rising sea levels, possibly due to climate change. Marine resource degradation and the effects of global climate change in coastal communities in Oceania have increased over the years. Industrial agricultural plantations, logging and mining activities are examples of environmental exploitation which have impacted on marine resources. Aswani and Radul highlight the importance of protecting marine biodiversity and ecosystems, and they designed a hybrid local management framework to improve ecological adaptability for communities. It is envisaged that this intervention will create further opportunities for cost-effective management of marine resources. That brings us to the end of our instructional video. All the best for this week, and all the best for the remaining assignments for the remainder of the semester. Naka.